morning and welcome to our circle time. Today is Tuesday, April 27th, 2021. Let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. So it is April, it is Tuesday, the 27th. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, that's one. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. I get the three digits in there.
Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday.
Days of the week,
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
good job. Let's go ahead and work on our pattern. So we're going to start back here on the 17th with this cloud. We have cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower. We will not be here tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 28th. It is Wednesday. What do you think our pattern will be tomorrow?
I know. Saturday.
What?
Cloud.
Okay, sitting quietly. Daycare. What do you think that our pattern will be for tomorrow?
Flower.
A flower. Excellent job, daycare. All right, we're going on. We said that it was going to be sunny today. Is it sunny outside? Yes, it is. Let's make a prediction for tomorrow's weather. What do you think tomorrow's weather is going to be like?
All the weather.
I don't think it can be all of the weather because it's too warm to snow.
Oh, how about windy?
You think it's going to be windy? Is there going to be sun with the wind or clouds with the wind?
Wind. And sunny.
And sunny. Sunny and windy we have. All right. All right, let's go ahead and say our ABCs. Remember, we're switching over to saying and not singing because we are in the fourth marking period. We're getting ready to go on to our next year in preschool, which means we are saying the ABCs and not singing them. So let's go ahead and say our ABCs all together. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Saying it all together. Thank you, friends. Let's go ahead and we're going to count all the way to 15 all together. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Counting backwards from 8. All the way from 8. We're starting here. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Awesome job. Moving on to our colors. Let's go ahead and
pay attention.
all of my friends, what color is this?
What color is that?
Yellow. Excellent job. What color is my Oreo?
Black.
Black. Nice job. What color is sadness? Blue. Good job. Moving on to our shapes. My friend in my room on the orange square.
Listen. Hey.
My friend on the orange square in my classroom. What shape is this?
A rectangle.
Not a rectangle. Try one more time.
Anna.
Try one more time.
I don't know.
This is a triangle. Triangle. My friend in here on the purple square. My friend in here on the purple square. What shape is this? What shape is this? Oval. Our nursery rhyme this week is London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. All right, we are working on what letter this week? C. We are working on the letter C. Just like in chocolate chip cookies, cat, Carl, and Cogsworth. All right, who can tell me what the letter C says?
C.
I heard somebody in daycare do it. C says, and here we go. Let's go ahead and stand up and do our, where do you start your letters? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better start at the top. Okay, we're not jumping. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, not jumping. Letters, start your letters at the top. Hands should be up. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Top. Top. Reach out and touch the top. All the way down. Reach down. I see somebody there doing it. Good job. Bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Standing up, counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Good job. No, it's the middle. Good job, friends.
Have a seat. First row of applesauce.
All right. So what letter are we making?
What letter are we making?
The letter C. And the C is a big curve. Big curve. So you start at the top
Now put your finger up.
and you go this way. It's a magic C. So we will have a song that goes along with it. It is Make the Magic C. I'll show you how. You start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me.
Listen.
All right. So when we're making our magic C, we start at the top we go this way, and we stop at the bottom. Okay? And when we build it, we say, big curve. All right, your turn. Fingers at the top. And we say,
Fingers at the top.
yep, I'm only seeing a couple fingers up. All right, your fingers are up, and we say, big curve. One more time, fingers up to the top. And we say, big curve. And that is all for our circle time today. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you on Thursday. Bye, everyone.